Hey guys, welcome to another do-it-yourself video. Today's video is on a '07 Honda Pilot. The problem with this car is that the battery keep draining. You can't have any like a parasitic drain. What I kind of found out is that the battery cables, the negative, the N terminal connection is almost like at the end of the connection, the terminal is like, it's almost, it almost came off. So, probably not a good connection there. And down here, I kind of pull, the other end, and it's all corroded with corrosion and stuff, So, what I did was that I, took it apart. I ordered a new one. Brand new one, okay, with good covering on the battery cable, negative terminal, the ends, and I'm gonna be hooking it to the firewall, which is here, and now I'll hook up the end down there. Hopefully this will solve the problem of not draining the car battery. And then I'll make another video to keep you guys updated. Yeah, again, this is a '07 Honda Pilot. Okay, so pretty much screw this negative on the bottom to here. With the new one, see how nothing is bare, the cable is not visible, it has this plastic protection. And then you want to screw this one up here. This one I already kind of put it in place already, put a little bit of grease to it. And then, and then you have this cable right here. You put it on the battery, on the negative side. You see the old one, it has this one right here. See the cable? This is towards the end, underneath. It has this visible with the corrosion in it, so that's no good. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the car is running. Make sure the cables are good. We'll fix that later. Okay. There's some lights. I'll have to scan them and see. Okay.